expressing certainty and doubt. In this lesson you'll learn how to say exactly how sure you are in English, from complete confidence all the way down to total disbelief. Let's get started. Here's the plan. First, a certainty scale running from 100% sure down to 0. Then natural phrases for high, medium and low certainty. After that, the three modal verbs English speakers use for guessing: must, might and can't. We'll hear 3 short dialogues and finish with a quick quiz. One quick note before we start. Anna and Ben are invented characters, and every dialogue in this video was written as a teaching example. They are model conversations, not recordings of real people. Think of certainty as a scale. At the top, 100%, I'm positive. A little lower, around 75%, I'd say so. In the middle, 50%, it might be. Lower still, 25%, I doubt it. And at the bottom, 0, that can't be right. Most everyday English sits in the middle of this scale, because sounding too certain can come across as arrogant. Let's start at the top. I'm absolutely certain that's the strongest option, and it works in both formal and informal English. There's no doubt about it is emphatic. You're closing the discussion. I'm positive is confident and completely everyday. I'm 100% sure is informal, and do notice the word order there. 100% sure, not sure at 100%, and definitely works on its own as a one-word answer. Now the middle of the scale, and this is where most real conversation happens. I'm pretty sure is everyday and slightly hedged. It's extremely common. I'd say so is soft agreement without committing fully. As far as I know, limits your claim to your own knowledge, which is very useful at work. It looks like it is based on visible evidence, and probably works alone, meaning roughly 70 to 80% sure. Moving down into doubt. I'm not so sure is the politest way to disagree in English. If you learn only one phrase from this lesson, make it that one. I doubt it means you think something is unlikely, and notice there's no preposition after doubt. I have my doubts is slightly more formal and a little more serious. It's hard to say means you genuinely don't want to commit, and I wouldn't count on it is a gentle warning to someone else. At the bottom of the scale we have strong disbelief. That can't be right points to a logical impossibility. It's neutral and safe at work. I find that hard to believe is polite but firm. You must be joking expresses surprise, and it can sound friendly or annoyed depending entirely on your tone. No way is very informal, fine with friends, risky in a meeting. Remember that with this group of phrases, tone carries half the meaning. Dialogue 1. Will it rain?
Do you think it's going to rain later?
Definitely. Look at those clouds. There's no doubt about it.
Really? I'm not so sure. The forecast said it would be dry.
Forecasts are often wrong. I'd take an umbrella.
Fair enough. Better safe than sorry.
Notice how Anna disagrees. She doesn't say you're wrong. She says I'm not so sure, which keeps the conversation friendly. Dialogue 2. Will we hit the deadline? Do you think we'll finish the report by Friday?
I'm pretty sure we will. As far as I know, everything's on track.
I have my doubts. Marco hasn't sent his section yet.
He must be busy. He's usually very reliable.
True, but I wouldn't count on Friday. This is workplace English. Nobody says definitely or no way. Everyone hedges because at work being wrong is expensive. Dialogue 3. Whose jacket is this?
Whose jacket is this?
It must be Tom's. He was sitting there all morning.
It can't be his. He was wearing a blue one.
Good point. It might belong to the new intern, then.
It's hard to say. Let's leave it at reception.
That dialogue is packed with guessing. Must be, can't be, might belong. Those three are coming up next. Here's the grammar behind those dialogues. Must means you're almost sure something is true based on evidence. He must be busy. Might and also may and could means you think it's possible. It might belong to the intern. And can't means you're almost sure something is not true. It can't be his. Now here's the trap. The opposite of must be is can't be. It is never mustn't be. Mustn't is about rules and permission, not about guessing. Four mistakes worth avoiding. First, it mustn't be his jacket. That should be it can't be his jacket. Second, I'm sure at 90%. The natural word order is I'm 90% sure. Third, I doubt about it. Doubt takes no preposition here, so it's simply I doubt it. And fourth, maybe yes. That isn't used in English. Say maybe on its own, or possibly, or I think so. Time for a quick quiz. Pause the video if you need to. Question 1. His car is outside, so he blank be at home. Is it A, mustn't be, must, or C, can't? Question 2. Which is the politest way to disagree with someone? A, no way. B, I'm not so sure. Or C, that can't be right. Question 3. Which sentence is correct? A, I doubt about it. Or B, I doubt it. Here are the answers. Question 1b, must. The car outside is evidence, so you're almost certain he's at home. Question 2b, I'm not so sure. It softens the disagreement instead of attacking the other person's idea. And question 3b, I doubt it. There is no preposition, so doubt about it is the classic error. Let's recap. Certainty works as a scale, and most real conversation sits in the middle of it, not at the extremes. For high certainty, I'm positive, there's no doubt about it, definitely. In the middle, I'm pretty sure, as far as I know, probably. For doubt, I'm not so sure, I doubt it, it's hard to say. And for guessing, use must be, might be, and can't be. Never mustn't be. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using must be and one using can't be and put them in the comments. I read them. If this helped, subscribe to BMaster79 for more English speaking lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.